Hello everyone, Ruben here from PAS Professional Amazon Services, and today we're going to talk about Amazon affiliate marketing. Yes, you've heard it right. I've just discovered something new that will escalate the efforts that you're doing on the Amazon affiliate marketing, and that is in relation to the Amazon promotions. For those who are just tuning into this subject, Amazon affiliate marketing or Creator Connection program is the Amazon's native program that allows sellers to connect directly with an affiliates and promote their products. So this is kind of an very much of similar to what the TikTok affiliate marketing has been doing. I think Amazon is lagging behind in overall, but the changes that they have been implemented in 2025, it's big and it's keep growing. So let's get into it. To begin with, anyone who've been selling on Amazon for some time, you know that Amazon has a section where it says promotions, and it has a various options of promotions. And one of them used to call the social promo code. What that allowed to do, that allowed you to create this promo code essentially to share with the creators of your own, if you had your own social media or if you had an influencer that you could share it with. But there's also the program also had a little box that allowed you to check, and that will give an access to the Amazon influencers to promote your product. So that was the very, very early version of the Amazon affiliate marketing. Not many people knew about it. Not many people were using it. I personally had once tremendous success just once with that program by essentially offering almost 45% discount, and the product was picked up by influencers, and it kind of blew up, getting us out of stock. But that was just one time. And now Amazon just made another change. And that change is when you're logging to your advertising and then to your promotions, you're going to notice this change. There are no more social media promo code. Instead, it says you can click to create opt-in share with Amazon influencers and associates, selecting the checkbox. So the social media promo code have moved up into the percentage off. So this is a very distinct change. Most likely this whole program will go away, and the percentage off will be the main way to continue creating and engaging more influencers. Well, my first thought is this beneficial? Will this give a boost? Is there any difference? Well, unfortunately, we still do not have much information on this, how it operates on a back end. But the fact that creating promotions, which we were doing that quite extensively in our fixed ACOS acquisition strategies, having that option to engage influencers additionally, I think it's a great idea. I think it's much more efficient and it's more intuitive to use it from a single platform. So let's go into, I'll show you how it works, and probably we'll create a campaign together for that matter. All right, so I do have a page open for that right now. And as you can see, it's a standard percentage off. I want to go more into the details, what type of campaigns or what type of promotions you should set up. I'm probably going to do a separate video for that. But that's the share with associates option right here. So if you click, it automatically will create a code that will share with the influencers and allow you to engage those influencers and promote your product. So we'll start from the top, and the first one is at least this quantity of items. In my case, it will be to just at least buy one, and you will get a promotion. Purchased item, it's an ASIN list, and I'm going to copy and paste the ASIN that I want to promote right now. All right. And the buyer will get, in my case, I am averaging right now about 25% on my ACOS. So I know if I give 20% for this acquisition, it's going to be actually 5% lower than my standard PPC cost. So I'm very confident with that. And it applies to the purchased item. So yes, so you don't really have to buy something to get something. It applies to the purchased item. And I'm going to go budget of $5,000. Again, because this is a pay-per-play game, I can put this more than $10,000 in this case. It doesn't really matter. As I said, because I'm comfortable with the 20%, I can do up to 5,000 if I want, or even 10,000. Start date and end date. This usually runs for 30 days. So I'm going to go 1 day below the 26. So it will be June 25. I'll keep the time the same. Oh, excuse me. And scrolling down, the promotion title will be shared with influencers, just for me to be able to make it easy. And I will also use tracking ID the same. Regarding to the title here, specifically the promotion title, because this is not customer facing, we don't really have to be creative. It will be something we're on tracking, and Amazon tells us about it. And a tracking ID, again, it can be a code or something that you would put there to continue the subject. And below that, we are marking. So the claim code, it's automatically on a group code because we are doing the affiliate program, but it is one redemption per customer. So it will not allow to multiple redemption for a customer. And we have the claim code. So this is a suggested claim code. You can choose something different that will fit kind of the promotion that you're doing, but it has a character limit, I believe, and that is 7. So just keep that in mind. And the last and most important subject here will be are you allowing stocking or not? What a stocking means is, are you allowed this promotion to be added on the top of the promotion? Maybe you're running a brand teller promotion, and this promotion could be stacked. So it is better not to choose it unless you have a specific strategy about that. In my case, I don't, so I'm not going to allow stacking. And that should be it for us to continue with submitting the campaign for a review. All right, and that's what we'll do right now. We can verify if everything is set up properly here. Everything seems to be correct, and we will submit this for a final review. So follow this subject. I will post something in probably a couple of weeks to see what's happening overall with the campaign. And most likely, I will launch multiple other campaigns that could be more tiered version of this, with allowing Amazon influencers to pick this. Again, the biggest announcement here and the subject of discussion, it's not creating the promotion, which is very unique and subject that I love to talk about for maybe next time, but engagement of the Amazon affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates, through the promotion program. So stay tuned. I will follow up once I have some results and we can go over that together. Have a good rest of the day and see you next time.